Good morning. It is August the 4th. It has been a while since I've done the garden update video. So it's early morning before work. Here we go. Sweet potatoes have just taken over. I've actually had to trim. Mr. Tucker wants to be part of the video. Had to trim a few off the sidewalk here. So looking good. If the roots look near as good as the tops, we're gonna have a lot of sweet potatoes. Been getting a few okra off of those three. Pulled up the red potatoes. I'll show some pictures at the end of what we've harvested, but this is where the red potatoes were. I'd say we got about 25 pounds. And these are some strawberry, the runners. I transplanted over the weekend, kind of thinned out the runners. The grape tomatoes, you can see they fell with the storm, but I get my finger out of the way. We've picked and picked and picked and picked grape tomatoes out of those two plants. Roma tomatoes, still doing good. We've canned a few. Pretty much picked all the kale. What hadn't bolted was rotten, so all the kale's gone. Got a few turnips left, a few beets left, the kohlrabi. Of course, we picked all the carrots already. Kohlrabi. Tucker, chill out, dude. You want me to show them over there? So, pulled all the lettuces and the potatoes that were over here. Turnips, all that was pulled over the weekend. What hadn't bolted was done. So I'm gonna try some fall stuff probably this weekend. Plant that stuff and see what we can get before the first frost day. It's usually October 21st. All right, still nothing on the Brussels sprouts. I think they're like 120 days, so maybe we'll get some. Cucumbers have been doing great. This right side's dying, so I might try to plant some more. But I've been getting cucumbers. The cherry tomatoes, these 4 plants we quit picking. I mean, pick till we're done. The green bell peppers, been picking a few. Red bell peppers as well, doing good. This little plant actually got knocked over in the storm. Banana peppers, we've picked dozens, and there's still a dozen on there. Jalapenos as well, doing good. These other tomato plants have done great as well. Look at the sunflowers, the okra, been getting some okra. The razzmatazz grapevine is trying to grow. Squash, last squash plant, that's it. The sunflowers produce quite a bit. You can see the birds have been wearing them out. A cucumber. Picked all the onions, got them drying out. Green beans, got a wall of green beans, ton of blooms. Haven't picked a single bean yet. And the asparagus, that's it. Got a few spaces for some fall stuff. Be the first time trying fall garden. Thanks for watching. Here's some pictures. Hit that thumbs up.